Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So in this platform, we react to all videos and we give you all the latest updates. In fact, we draw the world closer to your doorstep. So please watch this video and I will be watching it with you. Don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section and I'll be right back.
They say what you don't know is bigger than you. Yesterday, it was a tense in Nigeria, right? All the obedient in the house. They say what you don't know is bigger than you. We have been saying this bomber to bomber that Obi can never, will never become a president of Nigeria. They wouldn't allow Obi to be, but you people don't understand.
Mad people everywhere. What you don't know is bigger than you. 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 Hey, he dey make me yo. He dey make me yo. He dey make me.
What you don't know is bigger than you. Listen, you should know Nigeria well enough now. You should know Africa well enough now. Am I right or wrong? The more you age, the better.
The worst thing you can do to a black man is to tell the black man the truth.
The worst thing you can tell a black man the truth. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Can do to a black man is to tell the black man the truth.
I cried in 2015. I was in South Africa in 2015. All the way they present Say Baba. That Say Baba is going to be the next president of Nigeria. The pastors, everywhere, the Muslim, Christian, everybody say Baba is the savior. They prophesize, they say, oh, Say Baba is the savior. Suddenly, Baba was not savior anymore, but Baba was there for another 8 years. Suddenly, obedience everywhere. Obi was everywhere.
Fools everywhere, fools everywhere.
When they talk about freedom, una go dey vex. When they talk about freedom, una go dey vex. Wetin dey vex una? Obi that. Now the question, wetin dey vex una? Because we dey tell una truth, we say now freedom. Wait, before I go to Obidati, I cried in 2015. When I saw the picture of that man where they carry come, said Buhari is going to be your next president. And I said in 1980 something, I was still young. I should still get a flashback. But everywhere was Baba, say Baba. Oh, he was a former military president of Nigeria. He have nothing. He's going to take you to that Jerusalem. Am I right or wrong? I'm not wrong.
Talk about our freedom, when I go to bed. When we talk about our freedom, go to bed. When we talk about our freedom, go to bed.
When we talk about freedom, you are all angry. Una go explain tire to una children in a few years to come. Buhari uses 8 years. Fake Buhari, by the way, is gone. Yesterday was tense. Like we no go gree, and we want to see what in court go talk. We want to wait and see what in the court go talk. Yesterday was tense. Like no, we no go gree. Oh my God! Yesterday was tense.
Biafra voice 247. Love you, we love you, everything we love the man, you know. We go Chris. Chiamakaga heaven. Ogarra, Rasta man of God. Love. Yeah. Biafra, you know. Ikuku. Bad guy, you know. What's the master? Love. I can't have a go hard. And they tell away.
I can't see you no abagu no onu ndi obedient. Now I can't see you no abagu no onu. Oh, you're still hoping that everything you're gonna go to a pickle where? I told you guys, listen, we don't need to fight. Oh, I just have to tell you guys the truth.
Enemies of Biafra, mad people everywhere. You are living in darkness, suffering and smiling. When we talk about a freedom, not good best. You are living in darkness, suffering and smiling. When we talk about a freedom, we're not good best. He depend me over you. He depend me over. Africans, he depend me over. He depend me over. He depend me over. I'm a hit and bend me over. I don't know what's wrong with the reasoning ability of a blonde man. My God. Some of that maximum respect. Yeah. He depend me over you. He depend me over. Africans, he depend me over you. Africans, he depend me over.
Tell a black man the truth. You become their enemies. They tell you, oh, somebody sent me a message yesterday on my phone. He says, stop disgracing Africa. Mandela was told at the time that he's disgracing Africa, right? But everybody was happy when Mandela got South Africa out of apartheid regime. Mandela become what? He become the hero of Africa. You're living in darkness. But when we talk about freedom, we now go to vex. Yesterday, I saw a man about 60-something years old on social media say, oh, Nigeria, it's not the worst. Nigeria is still going to get over it. No, it's not the worst. What happened is not the worst. I was born during Biafran War. I was still in college when Biafran War started. So, you know, I don't think everything got at 60-something. You're still having hope that things are going to go well. Really? We're not going to explain Taya.
Mad people everywhere.
Yes, mad people.
What you don't know is bigger than you. 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 Hey, he depend me, oh, he depend me, oh, he depend me, oh, it's your G, he depend me, oh. The worst thing you can do to a black man is to love black man to you, yeah. The worst thing you can do to a black man is to love black man to you, yeah. He depend me, oh, Mama, he depend me, oh, in this G, he depend me, oh, Sabotu, he depend me, oh. Bobby Daddy, Bobby Campus everywhere. Bobby Daddy, Bobby Campus everywhere. Bobby Daddy, Bobby Campus everywhere. When we talk about freedom, when we talk about freedom, when we talk about freedom, he depend me, oh, Mama, he depend me, oh, in this G, he depend me, oh, Sabotu, he depend me, oh, Biafra voice.
Hold on, my brother. Hold on, let me tell you something. Obedient, Obi, green go repeater, Obi. Open him mouth, talk and say, Biafra is dead. Bro, wait, make I come out my glass first. Make I borrow this glass, make it sit down here. Make I tell you now something. In a genocide like that, you don't have to say it to satisfy anybody. The worst mistake Obi did is telling Nigerian people, say, Biafra is dead 50 years ago. It is wrong. It's like a Jew man come and tell you the Holocaust is dead. Telling you, oh, let's forget about the Holocaust. Let's forget about those that were killed in Germany. It's wrong. Let me tell you something. Many of you don't instigate any war in Nigeria. All of una be Obi, make they no bury you now. Nigerian government is ready to wipe you off. You come there to talk with Obi, we no go agree, we no revolution. Somebody say, oh, there's gonna be a revolution. Which revolution will I want fight? There's no any revolution done make they divide the country. 1999 constitution is error.
Biafra voice 247. Love you, we love you. everything, me blood of the man, you know. We go Chris. Yeah, my God, I got Rasta man of God. Yeah. That's what you know. Bad guy, you know. But the water master. I can't go home.
Yes. Obedient everywhere. When I see what they talk for court yesterday, judiciary, did you hear what they said? There is no evidence. No evidence. You don't have evidence that Tinubu has any case or cannot enter America. That's it. Wait, make I tell you a mistake where I make obedient. I'm going to tell you where you make your mistake obedient. I'm going to tell you where you make a mistake. Now that time where Tinubu never become president, now that time we're not supposed to fight all these things. Fake document, you go university here, you know get university. But we not allow him. Since as he don't enter as a president, there's nothing you can do about it. Meanwhile, they fight for Biafra here. I still they carry Nigerian passport. Now we're not president. Even there's nothing you can change about it. If we not like, make we not cry. The only solution is getting a freedom. I've been around for a while. My mother was around for a while. My father was around. My uncles, everybody is around. And those who are still around, we are still complaining. Oh, electricity, there's no electricity. Oh, everything is going to be all right. Oh, one of my brother died of accident. Oh, now God won't make it die of accident. Really? God give and God take it. That is all you hear. So if God no one make it die, no go get that accident. Oga, nah, the economy they kill you now. That corruption, in they kill you. Oh, somebody was sick. He went to the hospital. There's no oxygen. No oxygen in the hospital to keep that person move. To give him energy where he go take survive. He go die. You know, go say, oh, now God give him. No, now Jesus take him. He is in the right hand of Jesus Christ. Oh, he's in heaven right now. God giveth, God taketh. Oh, now lie. Because if that's oxygen there for hospital, that person no go die. Now God give us the power. Now God give us all these resources now. Oh, Rome is not built in a day. Is that right? Is that not what you say? Rome is not built in a day. We don't need to fight the government. I'm not asking you to fight the government. The thing I'm saying is this: let us tell the truth the way it is. We have a collective effort to revolutionize. This is not about revolution. It's about freedom. Let's talk about the freedom. Let's go our separate way. Since it's not working, the propaganda is too much. They are holding everyone, each and every one of us in the ball. You can't escape it. They are so strong. They come with their propagandas. When you talk, you become an enemy of the state. You talk, you become the enemy of the state. We're not going to explain tire, obedient. Obedient, we're not going to explain tire. Let's go back to the music. Today it's all about music.
Mad people everywhere. What you don't know is bigger than you.
What you don't know is bigger than you. If you have known this before, una no go talk say they go give up big presidency. Una no, Baba. Una no, Baba say Igbo man no go be president. Una no, Baba. If una no say Igbo man no go become president, una no go worry. They tell una so your PVC is your power. God, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have said it all. An Igbo man will never be given the presidency. The cabal know what they're doing. Listen, Tinubu has become president. There's nothing I can do about it. But at least I should have the atmosphere and the platform to criticize the government. Yeah, it is my right. This is my fundamental human right to talk. To just, those you know, if picking head there like this for market, what you would do is, hey, mama, you're picking the sleep, you go help out. That's what we do. But let me tell you something. The government is not ready to do anything. Nothing. Probably they are confused. They keep increasing their salary. They say they are giving you palliative. Palliative? Palliative? Is that a palliative?
You don't mad people everywhere. What you don't know is bigger than you. 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 Hey, you dey me, oh, you dey me, oh, you dey me, oh, it's your key, you dey me, oh.
Black man.
The one thing you can do to a black man.
Tell a black man. The worst thing you can do to a black man. Tell the black man the truth. Yeah, yeah. You tell them the truth, they go they vex. Obedient everywhere, they go they vex. They can't go court, say they go win, no, they go they vex. We they tell them, say they no go feel win, no, they go they vex. Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, they tell them the truth, oh, they go they vex. They carry Mazin Nnamdi Kanu put for prison, no, they go they vex.
Black man, you go tell the black man, he dey pay me, oh, dada. Mama, he dey pay me, oh, dada. You're so cheap, he dey pay me, oh, dada. Sabotu has he dey pay me, oh. Obidati everywhere. Obidati
everywhere. Obidati is full everywhere. Yesterday was tense. Let me tell you, Obi is part of the cabal. I have to let you understand. Obi is a billionaire, just like every one of them. Okay? Take caution. I don't think you should organize any revolution that Peter Tinubu should leave the throne for Peter Obi. You will get damaged by the government. I'm telling you the truth. I want you to support the movement of freedom. That's what we're talking about. When the president is there, they are not even talking about structure. I don't think any Biafra man is talking about structure. They want freedom. But sometimes I think about it, okay, instead of us to go to war, can we just talk about the restructuring the country? Where every state will manage their resources. We all know how America works. You go to California, California have their own police. New York have their own police. Maryland, Minnesota, they all have their own police. Just like Anambra can have their own police. River State can have their own police. Cross River States can have their own police. Calabar can have their own police. Any resources that is being taken from that surrounding a state should be used to develop their state. The government itself as a central will just sit Jaja and collect tax. Collect tax from Anambra, collect tax from Calabar, collect tax from Cross River, collect tax from Ebonyi State, collect tax from Ilorin, collect tax from Ibadan, collect tax from Lagos, collect tax from Sokoto, to collect tax from Kaduna, collect tax, and you don't need to do much. You can be all corrupt that you want, but allow the people to rule themselves. Allow the people to be the security of their state. They said no. They call us name. It's okay.
The fools everywhere, Obidati, fools everywhere. When we talk about our freedom, when we talk about our freedom, when we talk about our freedom, you dey me, oh, Dada. Mama, you dey me, oh, Dada. In this city, you dey me, oh, Dada. Sabotu has you dey me, oh, Dada.
It's not as if it's actually affecting only the Igbo people. The economy is not only affecting the Igbo people. In as much as Igbo people are gagged, we are still doing better. I don't think Yoruba people feel stand any Igbo people when they talk. If we're talking about wealth, I'm not here to compete, but I'm telling you that when they talk about wealth, I don't think Igbo Yoruba feel stand us. I don't think any Hausa feel stand us. We are the entrepreneur, we are import and exporters. We hold the economy of that country, but they are gagging us. But check it out. Go to the north. A lot of those kids are not educated. They are suffering. But they have totally been brainwashed that we own the country. But it's okay when you are doing Babiala every morning. Go to Alhaji and do Babiala. Oh, Allah is going to bless you. Don't worry. When you die, you go to the Alujannah. You can't enjoy here. You don't need to enjoy here. It's only Alhaji that need to have money. You don't need to go to school. Alhaji children must have money. All you do is wake up in the morning and say, Almajiri, Asiri Yabu, Babiyala, Asiri Yabu, Babiyala.
Biafra voice, 247. Love you, we love you, everything, me blood, blood, man, you know. We go Chris. Chiamata, Agarra, Rasta man of God. Love, yeah. Biafra, you know. Ikuku, bad guy, you know. What's the master? Love. I can't have a go on. I can't tell away with everything. All them enemies of Biafra. People everywhere, you are living in darkness, suffering and smiling. When we talk about a freedom, we're not going to face. You are living in darkness, suffering and smiling. When we talk about a freedom, we're not going to face. He depend me over you. He depend me over Africans. He depend me over He depend me over He depend me over He depend me over. I don't know what's wrong with the reasoning ability of a black man. My God. Someone has maximum respect. He depend me over you. He depend me over Africans. He depend me over He depend me over.
Yeah. Here we come to almost to the end of this broadcast. Listen, we need to go back to the drawing board. Obi, I cried for 8 years of Buhari. Now we are here again. Please, we don't need to carry guns. There is social media where there are a lot of us on social media. We need to start telling the government that they are not doing well and their intention is not to do well. They will come to the Senate, tell you stories, how they are going to put Nigeria in a good economy. This one go do this one. My brother, when you throw this phone down, no matter how I put out, the phone will still land. See how it go land. Now like this, it go still there. Even if it land like this, it go still go down like this. The story remains the same. Let's work together as a collective entity to pass message to the government like, no, you don't have to be like this. We don't have to complain. After 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 16 now how many? Not be 32. When are we going to stop complaining? When are we going to stop complaining and take action? I'm not asking you to pick objects and fight them. When you talk, they go to pain them. As soon as they talk, it go to pain them. They go to try to adjust. They go to get fear. Make una no talk say una will be obedient. Make una no talk say the government. They no fear una small. They fear una small, but they get the confidence. They una no go fit do anything. I don't think anybody should die for Obi. Nobody should die for Obi. Obi is part of the cabal. Obi is a businessman. Obi is a billionaire. A lot of una money where una go take care of una mama for village. Now una they donate for Obi for court. Say Obi go win. Una want to see a change in Nigeria. Una go wait their tire and una go explain tire. Thank you very much, everyone. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bombo Clark. Celestia Rastafari. All the Babylonians must perish. Rastafari.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.